Hi guys, so kung gusto nyo mag-download ng free na application for live streaming, punta lang kayo sa Play Store kung gamit nyo is Android. Then search nyo yung camera FI space live, this one, yan. And then once installed, click nyo lang yung open. And then may options dyan na lalabas kung magsa-sign in kayo for your Google account, Facebook, or iOS. Pwede nyo naman skip yun. Click nyo lang yung X sa top. Kung ayaw nyo i-sign in gamit yung account nyo. Pag na-click nyo yung X, may lalabas doon na 1 month free. Just sa baba ng 1 month free, may options doon na no thanks. Click nyo lang yung no thanks. Tapos lalabas ulit doon. Click nyo ulit yung no thanks. So, pag na-click nyo na yun, ito na yung lalabas, yung options. So, pamiliin kayo, choose between camera and screen. So, since screen recording yung gagawin nyo, tapos gagawin nyo is ilalive nyo yung screen recording nyo. For example, nagpe-play kayo ng games or any tutorial na gagawin nyo, click nyo lang yung screen. Then, sa baba, may options. Kung may account kayo, saan nyo ipopost yung, ibo-broadcast yung recording nyo. Is it in your YouTube, in your Facebook, or is it in your Twitch? Pili lang kayo. For me, example, I choose my Facebook. Once you choose the icon for Facebook, ask kayo for your username and password. Sign in using those, and then once you're done, for example me, I'm already done. So na-click ko na yan, na-sign in ko na. Then I choose start. Click the start button below. Yan. And then click OK. And then allow notification. Okay. Permission siya na yan. This one. Allow. Okay. Permission. Allow here sa button. Allow nyo. And then there you go. Makita nyo yung option here sa top. Ayan. Pag click nyo yan, yung live, pwede nyo i-drag. You can drag. Diba? Kung saan nyo gusto ilagay. These are the menu. Pag click nyo yan, may options dyan. Lalabas yan. Mute, audio, sa settings here. Ayan, nakalink na yung channel ko for Facebook. Ayan, yung server, for example. Then, sa stream resolution, pwedeng pinakang gusto nyo is 1080p. Click OK. Then, back to settings. There you go. Then, you can choose. There you go. These are for the title. And then, for public, for your Facebook. And then, resolution is 10. Then, once you click the create, mag-start na siya for live in your Facebook account. So, that's it guys. So, good luck. If you wanna try, just download the apps. It's free. Okay. Good luck and thanks.